In the Golden Fleece restaurant, downtown Greektown in Detroit. And I just want to show you, look at all the hanging roses, how cool that is. You guys want to be on YouTube? I am in Greektown with my friend Pam, and I just wanted you all to know that I haven't forgot about you. I got myself in a goofy situation with a house I shouldn't have bought, but I ended up buying another one, and I'm back on YouTube, and I'm getting new countertops in weekish, and I'm going to be back to doing my videos. So thank you all for being patient with me. Yep. That's her. Yeah, isn't that neat?
Very neat. Good job.
All right. There's our fried cheese. We're walking out of the restaurant now, and oh my gosh, it was wonderful. I'll show you the pictures of our food at the end, but look at this precious restaurant. There's the lamb rolling on the spit. There's the cook. Look at how cool this is. I love it. You want to say hi?
Hello.
She's opening the door for me. I got to show you this wonderful, wonderful pastries. Look at this. This is unreal. Downtown Detroit, Greektown. You cannot beat this. Hello. Oh my God, look at these. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Just to die for. I'm hoping they have Napoleons. Oh my God. Look at these pastries. Oh my God. Unreal. Look at how cute this place is. And then they have ice cream. And they have these beautiful cakes. Look at this. Unreal. Fresh strawberries. I love it. That's it.